Okay, kids, what we got here is the gas tank off of that mower, and it was leaking, so I got on Amazon and I found an aftermarket replacement for it, and it was $29.99 for a exact replacement. And so what I decided to do was to try to fix it. And it's I mean, if you see here, I already took some sandpaper to it. Look at them cracks. It's got a big split there. I don't know if you can see, but there's a crack in there. There's a crack there. There's a second crack a little lower. That's cracked. So fortunately, I think I have the ability to fix this. You may ask, how are we going to fix this? Well, kids, there's 3 things you need if you want to survive the apocalypse, or I'm sorry, the second apocalypse. 1 is an AK-47. 2 is a fine box of cigars. And 3 is JB Weld. So, stand by, kids. You're about to see the magic happen. Okay, so here's what we have. Look at that. Masterfully crafted. Pretty sure I got all the cracks. Look at that. Look at that. Just saved myself $29. Look at that. Do you think this is going to work, kids? Or do you think it'll just crack again? Maybe. Oh wait, is that a crack in there too? Alright, I'll be right back. Okay, I think we got them all. You see, this is why it's a bad idea to make guns out of plastic. Yep. But, fun fact for you little shits. The old JB Weld, it forms a polymer when it sets up. Yeah. Just like Glock. So, what we got here is a Glock tank. Look at that. So while the rest of the world is going broke, paying $29 for a Chinese-made plastic gas tank, look at that. And it keeps it out of the landfill, saves the earth. Just awesome. So the one takeaway from today's lesson, kids, is AK-47, box of cigars, and JB Weld. And you're pretty well set. Look at that.